subject plus don't oblique does oblique didn't plus seem plus to be plus noun oblique adjective দ্বারা কিছু বাক্য তৈরি। He does not seem to be criminal. তাকে অপরাধী মনে হয় না। He does not seem to be criminal. You do not seem to be happy. তোমাকে সুখী মনে হয় না। You do not seem to be happy. They do not seem to be criminal. তাদেরকে অপরাধী মনে হয় না। They do not seem to be a criminal. They do not seem to be teacher. তাদেরকে শিক্ষক মনে হয় না। They do not seem to be teacher. They do not seem to be large-hearted. তাদেরকে বড় হৃদয়ের মনে হয় না। They do not seem to be large-hearted. He does not seem to be fat. তাকে মোটা মনে হয় না। He does not seem to be fat. He does not seem to be foolish. তাকে পুলিশ মনে হয় না। He does not seem to be foolish. It does not seem to be true. এটি সত্য মনে হয় না। It does not seem to be true. It did not seem to be false. এটি মিথ্যা বলে মনে হয়নি। It did not seem to be false. It does not seem to be colorless. এটি বর্ণহীন বলে মনে হয় না। It does not seem to be colorless. He do not seem to be a doctor. তাকে একজন ডাক্তার মনে হয় না। He do not seem to be a doctor. The project does not seem to be hard. প্রকল্পটি কঠিন মনে হয় না। The project does not seem to be hard. The food did not seem to be good. খাবারটি ভালো লাগেনি। The food did not seem to be good. The flowers does not seem to be artificial. ফুলগুলিকে কৃত্রিম বলে মনে হয় না। The flowers does not seem to be artificial. Your exam does not seem to be good. তোমার পরীক্ষা ভালো হয়েছে বলে মনে হচ্ছে না। Your exam does not seem to be good. He did not seem to be a good student. তাকে একজন ভালো ছাত্র মনে হয়নি। He did not seem to be a good student. He does not seem to be a good doctor. তাকে একজন ভালো ডাক্তার মনে হয় না। He does not seem to be a good doctor. It did not seem to be good product. এটাকে ভালো পণ্য মনে হয়নি। It did not seem to be good product. They did not seem to be an dishonest man. তাদেরকে অসৎ লোক মনে হয়নি। They did not seem to be an dishonest man. Your dance does not seem to be very good. তোমার নাচ খুব ভালো বলে মনে হচ্ছে না। Your dance does not seem to be very good. He does not seem to be happy. তাকে সুখী মনে হয় না। He does not seem to be happy. He does not seem to be clever. তাকে চালাক মনে হয় না। He does not seem to be clever. They do not seem to be a stable. তাদেরকে স্থিতিশীল মনে হয় না। They do not seem to be a stable. He does not seem to be industrious. তাকে পরিশ্রমী মনে হয় না। He does not seem to be industrious. She did not seem to be tall. তাকে লম্বা মনে হয়নি। She did not seem to be tall. They do not seem to be slim. তাদেরকে চিকন মনে হয় না। They do not seem to be slim. He did not seem to be foolish. তাকে পুলিশ মনে হয়নি. He did not seem to be foolish. It did not seem to be true. এটি সত্য মনে হয়নি. It did not seem to be true. It does not seem to be safe. এটিকে নিরাপদ বলে মনে হয় না. It does not seem to be safe. It did not seem to be colorless. এটি বর্ণহীন বলে মনে হয়নি. It did not seem to be colorless. The work does not seem to be easy. কাজটি সহজ মনে হয় না. The work does not seem to be easy. The sum does not seem to be hard. অঙ্কটি কঠিন মনে হয় না. The sum does not seem to be hard. The girl did not seem to be meritorious. মেয়েটিকে মেধাবী মনে হয়নি. The girl did not seem to be meritorious. It does not seem to be real color. এটি আসল রং বলে মনে হয় না. It does not seem to be real color. It does not seem to be an easy work. এটা সহজ মনে হয় না. It does not seem to be an easy work. She did not seem to be a good student. তাকে একজন ভালো ছাত্রী মনে হয়নি. She did not seem to be a good student. You did not seem to be a good pilot. তোমাকে ভালো বিমান চালক মনে হয়নি. You did not seem to be a good pilot. He does not seem to be an honest man. তাকে সৎ লোক মনে হয় না. He does not seem to be an honest man. He does not seem to be helpful for us. তিনি আমাদের পক্ষে সহায়ক বলে মনে হয় না. He does not seem to be helpful for us.